Hello, welcome to Mini Orange. In this video, we will show you how to create your own custom API post endpoint that will insert data in the WordPress database. In this video, we are using Pro version of the Mini Orange custom API plugin, which unlocks all the features. You can also download our free plugin, which has limited features, from the video description. So let's start. Go to the Mini Orange custom API plugin, and here, you will see the settings to generate the APIs. Enter the name for the API. Select method as post. Now, you will have to choose the database table where the data can be stored. I am adding the test table, but you can use any table you like. Select the columns as well. Select the body format, in which post data needs to be sent. Now click on the Generate API button to generate the API. We can see the API has been created. Now let's test it using Postman. You can use this API on any platform, according to your requirements. Copy the API, and go to the Postman. In Postman, select the HTTP method as post, and paste the copied API here. In the body option, choose XWWW form URL encoded, as we did in the plugin. You need to enter the column name and the value you wish to insert in the database table, as I am entering the ID, name and email as selected in the plugin. Click on the Send button. We can see the response is true in the body. Additionally, if you want to import code in your own language, just click on the code icon, and here you can see the different languages. You just copy the code in your own language and import it. Now, let's check the result in a database table, as we can see that all the values have been added. Do you know how to create a custom API with the put, get, delete method? If not, we have provided the video link in the description. Please check it.
Thank you for watching this video. For any other questions, please drop us a query at info@securify.com.